Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. We are going to be looking at most of us, a slightly cooler day today than yesterday. We have a frontal boundary down to our south and central Kansas that did bring a little bit of moisture to southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas last night. Now this morning, areas of fog because we've got high relative humidity this morning, so it is a bit foggy out there. That fog will gradually burn off as the morning goes on. We've also got a lot of upper level smoke, big wildfires up in Canada, in the northern parts of Alberta and northeast British Columbia, northern parts of Saskatchewan, and into the Northwest Territories. And so some of that fog has been coming through the last couple of days here, and so that's made for a very orange-looking sunrise and sunset the last couple of days. Otherwise, pretty quiet weather today. Winds a little breezy, kind of out of an east and then southerly direction, depending on where you are. You can see the winds turning more southerly out here to the west, and they'll be at their breeziest right in here today. Some gusts to 20 miles per hour. Heading into this evening, we're going to watch the Black Hills as showers and isolated thunderstorms develop there and then drift south-southeastward. So we could see a couple of isolated showers and storms right in here. Even a little isolated shower activity after midnight in central Nebraska, but they should be weaker after midnight. Now tomorrow, maybe a couple of lingering sprinkles of light rain tomorrow morning. A few extra clouds littered around. It's going to be a little hotter tomorrow. Breezy conditions though, so that'll feel good at least to have the breeze out there. Then once again, the focus turns to the west for the best chance of rain and thunderstorms right in here tomorrow evening. And they could be stronger here, and then they'll weaken as we get further into the night. But a few lingering showers early on Saturday, otherwise maybe some fog to start the day Saturday. But really Saturday is the beginning of the big time heat. That's going to settle in. That 3-day stretch, Saturday through Monday, is going to be a scorching hot. Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk of severe storms for this evening over western Nebraska, mainly near and west of Highway 83. Large hail and severe wind gusts the biggest threat. Same kind of threats tomorrow for northwest portions of Nebraska. Temperatures out there today, mid-upper 80s, low to mid-90s, even hotter in the Panhandle. Tonight, then, we're looking at temperatures down into the 60s for overnight lows. Tomorrow, the heat starting to build in a little bit more, especially in the south and the west. Heat index values starting to creep up closer to 100 in many locations. 60s tomorrow night, and then big time heat on Saturday. Now we're really starting to feel that heat, especially again in southern and western portions of Nebraska, northern portions of Kansas. One thing I will also mention is that there is an excessive heat watch out for west central and southwest Nebraska starting tomorrow afternoon, continuing all the way through Monday evening. Now, we will likely see other places under a heat advisory as we get closer in time to that here, but basically this means a very consistent time frame in the afternoon, evening hours where heat index values will be over 100 degrees. Some places could get up to 105, 110 with their heat index as we get into the weekend and early next week here. You see the forecast here, slight chances of rain early Friday and then again late Friday. Otherwise, it's all about the hot weather coming in Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. At least some relief maybe from the breeze. Sunday a little bit, I don't know, we'll see. Otherwise, then temperatures start to come down Tuesday and continue to come down Wednesday and beyond. Along with that, we'll see return chances of rain and thunderstorms as a cold front dives south through the area that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. So temperatures will come down by Tuesday and especially Wednesday, below average Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday here. So that'll be a nice little bit of a relief for most of next week once we get beyond Monday. So that'll be nice to have those cooler temperatures out there. North Platte, a few degrees warmer than the Tri-Cities pretty much every day. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms tonight and again tomorrow night. Otherwise, hot. Near 100 Saturday, above 100 on Sunday. Just below 100 on Monday. Heat index values up over 100 degrees each one of those days there. Coming down then on Tuesday and then more so on Wednesday as rain and thunderstorms return Monday night. And they'll continue Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now it looks like next week that the best chances will come during the afternoon and evening overnight hours when it comes to the rain chances. But temperatures will come down back into the 80s as we look towards next week. So it starts on Tuesday and we'll keep the mid 80s going Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday here. So that'll be some good news. And you can see that here as we look at the long range temperature trends. Again, heat just kind of spreading eastward over the next couple of days. The worst of it Saturday, Sunday, and Monday there. And then look at Tuesday here, the cooler air coming in from the North Canadian cool air, diving south over the eastern U.S. And we're part of it. So we get a nice little bit of relief as the heat gets shoved back to the west a little bit here. Might try to start building in the following weekend. We'll see if that happens or not. And then the European model when it comes to moisture here, again, there's not much the next few days. But as we look towards next week, towards that Tuesday time frame, Wednesday with the cold front diving south, probably our best chances of rain there. Chances a little lower once we get past that, but there still are some chances there. So, all right. Well, with that, that's all I got for you for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll be back with you one final time this week here on Friday with your latest forecast, and then I'll be gone for a week. And so Ian will be filling in for me. So again, I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning, and I will see you all again on Friday. Talk to you all later. Bye.